Hello, and welcome to Notary Life with Kimmi and the Notary Educators Training Team. I'm here with Angela.
Hello, everybody.
And we want to welcome you to our Q&A also. And tonight I'm going to talk about translation services and how a company messed up my documents. Give you a few tips on that. Talk about how you can add that to your business if you would like. Let you know what's going on with Notary Educators, what training dates we have coming up. For those of you who may be new to Notary Educators and Notary Life with Kimmi, I'm a notary and I have my own business now for about 4 or 5 years. We train all 50 states and we focus on, hey Donna, we focus on making sure that notaries are equipped to do their duties. Because if you don't know how to do your notarial duties, you probably shouldn't be running a business. Hey, Drea. These are all as part of the mentorship. Hey, guys. Welcome. So you guys may have some questions too. Feel free. But let me get into the translation services really quick. We'll start there. Oh, let me let Angela introduce herself a little bit, and then we'll come back.
Yeah, this is Angela, part of Notary Educators, and I have my own business, AJ Mobile Notary and Gwinnett Apostilles. So welcome, everybody. We're happy to be here with you tonight.
Welcome. Okay, so let's get to it, guys. So anyway, translation services. If you are not offering translation services, let me tell you a little bit about it, and then I'm going to tell you my story of what happened, okay? Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. So translation services is just that. You may not speak German, French, Spanish, or all these different languages. However, your clients will seek you out because you're a notary. We get asked to do all kinds of things. They'll say, hey, can you help me get some documents translated? Okay. So there's a couple different ways you can do that. You may speak one of those languages and you may actually offer the service yourself and translate documents. Hey, Party. How you doing? So you may offer that service where you actually do the translating. However, I don't speak German. I don't speak French or any of these other languages. So the client will bring the document to me. I will facilitate the translation. I'll find a company, upload the docs, whatever. And then the clients will get the document back from me. I charge a little surcharge for my part that I played in it. And then the company will charge them. So why does someone need translation services? Maybe they're getting married out the country. Maybe they're buying property. Maybe they have a will. Maybe they're bringing a piece of property from another country into the United States. And the document, I had a car title that was in a German language that had to be translated. Hey, Davida, how's it going? So there's any number of reasons why someone may need your services for translation services. So I do have a full course on translation services. You can check it out in one of two ways. You can actually get the course over at notaryeducatorsllc.com, translation services. I go step by step how to do it, how it's profitable, what to do, step by step. There are 2 or 3 videos for free on the channel. And the third way is to be a part of the mentorship programs on the Notary Business Success mentor program. You have access to all of my training courses for only $39.99 per month. And you did hear that right. All of my training courses for $39.99 per month. Plus, we meet weekly to discuss notarial acts and to get you properly trained to grow your business. Okay. So all of that you can find over at the website. Now let's get to the story really quick. So what happened? First of all, before we do that, are you offering translation services? Because I learned about this from Angela and Alexis. I was actually like, I don't know if I want to do that. But then I learned about it from Angela and Alexis. So are you doing translation services? Put a 1 if you are, or a 0 if you've never heard of it, and no, you're not doing it. 1 or 0. Let's see. 1 or 0. Let's see what the people say. Are you doing translation services? Let's see. I'm not seeing any comments. I'm figuring you guys are typing. Okay, here we go. Kidney stone free. Hey, says no. Donna says she's not doing it yet either. Majesty says no. So yeah, so this is something you want to add though. It really is. It can be lucrative. We have a student that's in our one of the mentor programs, and she actually is getting a lot of business doing translation services. And she brought something to my attention last night, which is actually on the replay. I saw the replay because Alexis taught that session. If you're not a part of either of our mentorship programs, you definitely want to join, depending on where you are in your notary business. But she also offered the suggestion of actual verbal translation, like video translation. Mm-hmm. So are you doing that, Angela? Mm-mm. Girl, yeah, they were talking about that in the mentor program. So how that works is somebody might need a video conference. It need a translator. So they actually need a translator. Hey, Mr. John, welcome.
Kim, soy un poco español.
No. You're not the translator. No, you're just the same thing. Instead of paper, it's a video conference. So you find the person that's going to do the translation. I'm going to ask her.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm going to ask her, can she give me the name of her person, her contact? And we can see, can we make that happen? So no, what happens? I know, right? That's pretty cool. So say, for instance, you need a video conference. So this person speaks Spanish and they're trying to talk to another person, and they don't know how to even find a translator that can do the video conference. So once again, you're just the mediator. So she told her a certain price per minute, and she told her to add whatever her fee is on top of that, and the notary collects the total fee and then pays the translator. So, right? I didn't know about that one.
Yeah.
So that was pretty cool. So let's get into this story. How this translation company. Welcome, Jeffrey.
Hi, Jeffrey.
Hello.
You want to introduce yourself really quick? I was just going to tell my story.
Oh, well, my name's Jeff Nunley, and I am another member of the Notary Educators, and good to have everybody here this evening.
Welcome, Jeffrey. Jeffrey, are you a notary and a signing agent?
Yeah, I'm a notary signing agent and a little bit everything, but yeah, I work along with Kimmi and also Angela, as we handle these different clients out here in these notary streets. So yeah, I'm pretty active out there as well. And good to see everybody here this evening.
Oops, sorry. And our other member is not here tonight, Alexis. She focuses kind of on the loan signing, also the Google My Business piece of the business. Angela focuses more on the apostille, but we all do everything. So, and Angela's going to tell you about some upcoming live training we got going on in just a second. Okay. So let's get into this story, y'all. So a client hired me to have a birth certificate in Spanish translated to English. She was a repeat client. I had did 3 other notarizations for her. So this one came through. I used the same company for the other 2. So this third one that happened, I sent it off, my regular process, et cetera, et cetera. The translation company sends it to me for approval. I clicked it and I said, yes, it was fine. It looked okay. I didn't do a deep dive into it because I've used them several times before. But fortunately, my client, when she received the document, she looked at it. She needed it for immigration purposes. Okay. So anyway, she's looking at the document. So she sends me an email. She says, oh, I'm so sorry. She's feeling bad, right? She said, I'm so bad, but there's a mistake on here. And I said, what? I'm so embarrassed at this point. I'm like, are you kidding me? There is an error on my translation. So I don't know, I just felt terrible, right? So I'm looking at the translation and she's telling me what the 2 errors are. She typed them out and then she circled it also. She sent me back a copy of it. She's pretty good with the phone. So she sends it in red, what's going on. So the 2 errors were, just in case you are ever trying to check a document, one of them was the date. So they had 2024. So they had 2024. 2024 for the year.
Mm.
That was one of the mistakes.